What's up guys, this is K and this is the second video of our world geography series where we gonna know about 1650 plus question that is the most important question in geography in terms of all India, all kind of comparative question is alright. So this is the second video. We are starting from 51. Let's get started. The radiant energy of the sun is transmitted in form of short wave. Answer option A. 52. While Venus is seen only for 1 to 2 hours, either after sunset or before sunrise, the Jupiter is seen for the whole night whenever it is visible in the sky. The reason for this is option C. The orbit of the Venus is inside the Earth's orbit, whereas the orbit of Jupiter lies outside of the Earth. 53. Which of the following statements is or are correct in terms of Milky Way? Okay, the answer is both A and B. So what are the 1 and 2? It is spiral galaxy and the solar system resides in one of its spiral arm. So we are on one of its spiral arm. Our Milky Way have two spiral arms. Two. Alright, 54. Among the following, which planet takes maximum time for one revolution around the Sun? It's B. Jupiter. 55. Which one of the following statements is correct with reference to our solar system? The Earth is the densest of all the planets in our solar system. 56. The Sarnith Turtle Comet will cross with Earth in option B 2116 AD. 57. The correct sequence of the following planet in terms of gravity in the descending order is Earth, Uranus, Neptune and Saturn. Option D. Earth have the highest and Saturn have the lowest gravity pull. 58. Which of the following gases is most predominant in the sun? It's hydrogen. 59. NASA's Deep Impact Space Mission was employed to take detailed picture with the comet nucleus or Tempel 160. The answer is A, only one. Let's see. Consider the following statements. The number 1 is the correct, number 2 is not correct. So number 1 is the albedo of an object determines its visual brightness when viewed with reflected light. 61. Which of the following statements are correct? There is two options and none of them are correct. Now moving on to 62. Which of the following statements relating to the planet Venus is correct? The only number 2 is correct. It is only slightly smaller than the Earth. 63. What is the difference between asteroid and comet? The answer is 1 and 3. Asteroids are small rocky planetoids, while the comets are formed of frozen gas held together by rocky metallic material. And number 3 is comets show perceptible glowing tail while asteroids do not. 64. A black hole is a concentrated star with intense gravity pull. Option A. Which one of the following is correct? Great Bear is a constellation. This is the most unknown question maybe. Great Bear is a constellation. 66. Asteroids have their orbits between the planets. It's C. Mars and Jupiter. Halley Comet appears in every 76 years, we all know. 68. The orbit of planets around the Sun, of satellites around the Earth, can be circular or ellipse. 69. The space traveler on the moon, the lunar sky during the daytime appears black. In moon, in daytime, the sky is black because there is no atmosphere. 70. The distance between the Earth and the Sun is 149 million kilometers. 71. Stars which appears single to the naked eye but double when it's observed through the telescope is called binaries. 72. What are sunspots? The sunspots are the dark patches on the surface of the sun resulting from a localized fall in temperature up to 4000 K. 73. The brightest star in the sky is the sun. 74. Pole star is always seen at one point in the sky, whereas other stars are not, because pole star lies in the axis of the spin of the sun. That's the thing. 75. The outermost layer of the sun is called corona. The outer layer of the sun is called corona. Now we are moving on Earth. So in Earth we are going to do 25 questions. The mapping of which of the following is most difficult? Interior of the Earth. Tides in the sea have stored in them hydraulic energy, kinetic energy, and gravitational pull. 3. In the earliest day, when life originated on the Earth, the atmosphere contained oxygen bound to carbon. Which one of the following would have occurred if the Earth do not been included on its own axis? It's B. The season would not have changed. Latitude of place is indicative of its temperature. The upper part of the mantle upon which the crust of the earth floats is called asthenosphere. Option D. 7. Tides are complicated and they vary from place to place because of all of this: the movement of the moon related to the earth, uneven distribution of water, irregularities of the configuration of the ocean. Number 8. Which of the following phenomenon is an effect of the relation of the earth? It's D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, all of them are true. 9. The earth rotates around its axis from west to east. Yeah. 10. The inclination of the earth's axis to the orbital planet is 66.5 degrees. 11. Match the following. So here is the thing: A4, B3, C2, D1. 12. The word used to describe the shape of the earth is option D. oblate is 0. 13. The mean radius of the earth is approximately 64,000 kilometers. 14. What is the correct sequence of the following layers of the earth is one moves from the surface to the interior? So first is the crust, then the mantle, then the core. So 2, 1, 3, option C. 15. Summer solstice in the southern hemisphere occurs on December 22. 16. 1 degree of the circumference of the earth's measure is 111 kilometers. 17. Spring tides occur when the sun and the moon are in the sun, moon and the earth in same line. Variation in duration of the day and night is due to 2 and 3. Revolution of the earth around the sun and inclination of the earth at the angle of 66.5 degree. 19. Days and nights are caused by only one, rotation of the earth. This is the only one thing, days and nights are occurring. Number 20. The speed of rotation of the earth is highest along the equator. Option A. 21. Mohs scale is used to indicate speed, the degree of the hardness of some material. 22. There is another match. The answer is A4, B3, C2, D1. 23. At neaptide, the sun and the moon exact their force at the right angle. This is the right angle. The sun and the moon are 90 degree angle in terms of the earth. 24. If the solar eclipse occurs when the moon is quite far from the earth, the ellipse would be likely to be annular. 25. This is the last question. What can be the maximum duration of totality for a solar eclipse? It takes 7 minutes and 40 seconds to occur a total solar eclipse. So this is the second video. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and keep it up, because we are going to do all 1650 questions. This is only the first 100 questions. We just finished. Okay, bye bye.